Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Leveling Lift Kit.
Number 5.
Motofab Lifts 99 CHTKWSE1-3 Leveling Lift Kit. Adjustable keys to raise your truck 1-3 in the front and includes shock extenders. Motofab Lifts torsion keys are CNC machined out of grade 50 plate steel. Stronger than forged keys and way stronger than cast keys. Made in the USA with lifetime warranty and includes shock extensions. Fits 1988 to 2006 Chevrolet and GM 1500 4WD pickups. Does not fit 2WD.
Number 4.
Wolf 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra. Fits 1999 to 2007 Chevy Chevrolet GMC Silverado Sierra. Front 1-3 adjustable front lift torsion keys. Rear 3 rear lift blocks with extended U-bolts and hardware. Front and rear Procom ES9000 extended shocks. Other rear block options available: 1, 1.5, 2.
Number 3.
Rough Country 3.5 lift kit fits. Increased ground clearance includes premium N3 shock absorbers, the best in performance. Includes durable, forged control arms. Differential drops maintain proper axle angle. Control arms include palm ball joints for greater range. Backed by Rough Country's lifetime replacement warranty.
Number 2.
Freedom Off-Road GMC 1-3 Leveling Lift Kit. Forged lifted torsion keys and rear blocks with U-bolts. Front torsion keys can be adjusted 1-3 and rear blocks lift 3. Black powder coated finish. Performance extended shocks. Four by four only, 4x4 only.
Number 1.
Rough Country 1.5-2 Leveling Kit fits. Increase ground clearance for on and off-road obstacles. Maintains smooth, factory-like ride. Levels the front with the rear of the vehicle. Forged torsion bar adjuster keys. Backed by Rough Country's lifetime replace warranty, shocks/struts 3-year warranty.